everyone, welcome back to this whole bishop series that we have going on. I have gained a helper, and in this video we're going to be finishing up our bishop. We have done all of the other videos of the series. You've made it to now the last one. Welcome to it. In this one, all you're going to be doing is your hand finishing. So you've completed your smocking, you've already hand sewn your bias band neckline down into place. So now you've got to close the bishop, okay? And we have done the bishop that closes, that opens and closes in the back. Can I help you? Opens and closes in the back. Seriously, would you like this? You've got a couple options. The easiest thing, especially if you've made a size for a wiggly baby of this age, what I highly recommend is using snaps. If you want the look of buttons, you can just put a false button on the outside. Now, I have been doing the hand-done buttonhole series, and I've just been way into the hand-done buttonholes. And so, even though it's for a baby of this age, I did hand-done buttonholes on the back. And I only did 2 because I just thought that's what looked good in the sizing. This does they'll accompany a winter bishop kit that I have, and you do get 3 buttons in that kit if you want to have your button space, space closer together, or maybe you're doing one of the bigger sizes like an 18-month or a 24-month size and you'd like to have 3 buttons for that. Yeah, it's sewing, you do you. Anywho, hi. I though would highly recommend staying away from those loops. Of course, it is sewing, you do you, but speaking, I used to do the loops all the time, okay? Those like little, they use them in the bridal world a lot. Yeah, for wedding dresses. And after, I used to use them, and then I had Audrey, my first child, and quickly realized how much they are cumbersome to put on a little wiggly baby. So I have stayed away from those. Once they are to the point of not being wiggly anymore, I prefer the look of the hand-done buttonholes over those loops anyways. So for me, I just like a wiggly baby, they're a pain, and then once they're not wiggly, I like the look of a hand-done buttonhole instead. So I just don't use them. But of course, it's sewing, you do you. There's no right and wrong. I'm just passing along my experience as a mom of 3 little ones for whatever that is worth. So, oh my goodness. So, that is closing up our bishop. I hope this series has been helpful and not too much of a hot mess, and you've learned a lot from it. If there's other topics with bishops that you'd like me to go over, if I've left something out, by all means, please let me know and I will do more content around this. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, we appreciate y'all for watching, and we hope to catch y'all next time.